Hello, Sundari. I have updates, 2, 3 most probably, but I'm going for 2. As you can see, the scenery is different. It's because Deb and I have shifted yet again to Kathmandu. I know it might come as a surprise for some of you because the last time before I went MIA again. Remember, I was in India and we had just shifted back. So it has been about 3.5 years and we're now back again in Kathmandu. It must happen to you too that you have to travel because you have a job in another country. So that's exactly what has happened here. I have finally accepted the expat life. So we are here for I don't know how long. We could be going to another country, we could be staying here, we could be going back to India. So we don't know. It really depends on my husband's work and how exactly that trajectory goes. Bhagwan take the wheel. That being said, that kind of gets me to the second point. The reason why I kind of went MIA is because your creative juices kind of mellow down a little bit when you realize that there's more that you want to do than what you're doing and you really want to pivot. And there is a little bit of time in between the pivoting and the thinking of pivoting, and that time really needs to be taken, and that time really needs to be for you to really know what you want to do and almost get to the point of what you want to do. And I finally gotten to the point that I know where exactly I want to take the channel. For me, pivoting is doing what I firmly believe is going to help my audience that has literally grown up with me, right? And kind of creating content around the concerns of that. I've already done that by creating Cookworld. So, creating content particularly for 30 plus women. But I feel like in my personal channel as well, I want to take the pivot and talk to more inspiring people. Have a dialogue about how we can live a better life and how we can create greatness for ourselves. And I really want to do that. And I think interviewing more people, interviewing people that are inspirational, people that have gone the extra mile, and just learn something from them. And that's something that I've always wanted to do because I personally love to meet new people and be just awed by how exactly they do things, simple things, but in such meticulous ways. And so we're going to be taking our channel in that direction, keeping all of the original stuff still free flowing, a little bit of the location that I'm in. So right now in Kathmandu, maybe we'll go outside, talk a little bit about Kathmandu, what are the fun things that you can do here, involve a little bit of the expat life also in there. And third update is that Kokol is launching a new product. I've been working on this product for 2 years now, guys. It is nuts. This product has been so difficult to formulate and so difficult to even get done because every single thing is unique. So in the limited budget that I have as a small scale business owner, plus the limited resources that I have, I think I've done a pretty okay job. So check out the new product launch. I'm going to be uploading a video about the new product launch. I really hope all of these new changes go great for us. I'm very excited about the new content that I'm going to put up, and I hope you are too.